Hi student, I am Rameshwar Saha in science classes, and today I am going to start the fourth lectures of energy. In fourth lectures, I am going to discuss about a multiple choice question. Multiple choice question are related with the energy. First, what is the main source of energy? Option is hydroelectricity, sun, mineral oil, natural gas. Then what is the main source of energy? Sun is the main source of energy. Other, how much solar energy falls per square meter on the surface of earth? Option is 1.5 kilowatt, 1.4 kilowatt, 140 kilowatt and 40 watt. Then 1.4 kilowatt is a correct option. Another, which is the chief source of energy in Nepal? Option is nuclear energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, hydroelectric energy. Then in context of Nepal, hydroelectric energy is main and chief source of energy. Another, which of the following is the non-renewable source of energy? First option is coal, wood, biogas, wind energy. Then which of the following is a non-renewable source of energy? Then non-renewable source of energy is what? That is oil. Another, the energy is produced on the sun by. First option is nuclear fission, chemical energy, another nuclear fusion, another photoelectric effect. Then main is nuclear fusion. It means energy produced inside the sun due to nuclear fusion process mainly, in which light nuclei of hydrogens combine together to form a helium nucleus. Okay. Another, there are various important questions asked in this chapter, like as difference between renewable and non-renewable source of energy. First question is differentiate between renewable and non-renewable source of energy. Sources of energy. Then what are difference between renewable and non-renewable source of energy? First, renewable source of energy is that type of the source of energy which can be regained in short interval of time. That is renewable source of energy. Non-renewable source of energy means that type of the source of energy and which cannot be regained in short interval of time after exhaust at once. Another, renewable source of energy is unlimited, but non-renewable source of energy is limited. Another, renewable source of energy never finished in futures, that can be gained again and again, but non-renewable source of energy can finish in future. Another, renewable source of energy cannot be stored, non-renewable source of energy can be stored. That are the difference between renewable and non-renewable source of energy. Another, differentiate between nuclear fusion and nuclear fission. What are difference between nuclear fusion and nuclear fission? Then nuclear fusion is a process of association of light nuclei to form a heavy nucleus with release of large amount of energy. Another, nuclear fission is the process of dissociation of a heavy nucleus into two or more than two like nuclei. Another, this nuclear fusions occurs at high temperatures and in the sun, but this nuclear fission process may occur on the earth's surface also. Another, the nuclear bomb or hydrogen bomb is based on the nuclear fusion process, and hydrogens or another atom bomb is based on nuclear fission process, and these all are the difference. Another various type of the questions asked, like as what is energy crisis, what are the preventions of energy crisis. Then we already know energy crisis means the future scarcity of the energy due to overuse of non-renewable source of energy is known as energy crisis. That is the lack of the energy in future means the energy crisis. Then what are the preventive measure of the energy crisis? There are different preventive measure of energy crisis, like as we should use the renewable source of energy instead of non-renewable source of energy. Another, alternative source of energy should be developed. Another, the energy should not be waste. And these all are the way and through which we can prevent the energy crisis. Okay student, this much for today in these lectures. Another day I will come with the new chapters.